got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to
You all a very happy new year! Welcome back, DCS fans, or no, diecast fans. Oh, that's also wrong. This time we have a car from Centy Toys. It's a plastic one, so plastic cast fans. Anyway, guys, wishing you all a very happy new year. I hope all your dreams come true and you buy your favorite car this year. Anyway, welcoming 2022. Let's forget about the past, guys. The 2021 is over. Let's forget about COVID. I mean, not the safety protocols, but let's forget about the sadness it caused. Anyways, so talking about today's car we have from Centy Toys. This is the Ford EcoSport. Alright, I really love the design of this car. I mean, it's a really underrated Ford, according to me. I don't know, how do you think about it? Anyways, I like the design of it from the back, guys. Yes, that's spare tire right here. That was actually the best thing back in the day. The first time I actually saw it was in 2014. Yeah, that time it came out. So yeah, I really love the spare tire at the back. That design was really cool. Anyways, guys, this car, yeah, in Centy Toys you don't get the door opening version. It's a fixed this thing. That's bad. Too bad. Anyways, it has a pullback action. Well, that's kind of good. Okay. So, yeah, guys, talking about the previous video which I uploaded, that was the Jaguar XK. Check out that beautiful car, guys. I mean, that was the first time I actually recorded in 1080 60 FPS, so it came really nice. Check out the intro. It'll be popping up on the screen right here. Anyways, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for memes. Yes, I'm uploading memes too, guys, so check them out. All car memes, actually. Anyways, now let's go for the unboxing. Let me just show you around the box now. Looking at the box, yes, I think this is a pretty old version of Centy Toys. That's why it does not have much of the graphics. And even at the back, you don't have many other models with colors and all, just like the Swift had. Let's just go for the unboxing now, guys. Time for the pullback. Here it goes. Oh shit. Okay, that went wrong. Hey, looking good, guys. The Ford EcoSport is out and now we can take a look at it. Okay, this is how the front looks. So yeah, I don't think they've done a pretty good job on the grille work, but yeah, I think it's okay-ish. Well, yeah, they lost the Ford logo. Anyways, it's not officially licensed, so yeah. And the headlamps look like this. I wish they had worked a bit more on it. And it has a proper skid plate. That's okay. And this is how the bottom looks, guys. It's written Sports Eco as it's not officially licensed again. Centy Toys with the wheels. The wheels at least are better, but I mean not so good because it looks exactly like the plastic ones, and as it is a plastic one, but still. Looking at the tire treads, it's pretty nicely done over there. The interior is also not bad, guys. I mean, the interior is really good. Even though the doors don't open, they have done a good work on the interior. I think this is the mid model of the EcoSport with the cup holders and sunroof. Yeah, the sunroof is pretty nice. Well, yeah, taking a look at the back, you have Sports with titanium logo right there, and this is the spare tire which I was talking about, which looked good. Yeah, this is not a see-through glass, so disappointing. Okay, let's hear the pullback. Here it comes, guys. Let's hear it. Okay, it's not so harsh like the Swift did, but it's kind of average. Well, let's go for the info now, guys. So let's know more on the Ford EcoSport, as it is the info, guys. Anyways, let's start off with the top speed first. Yeah, the top speed is ranging from 170 kilometers per hour to 190 kilometers per hour. That's 105 miles per hour and 118. It goes all the way up to 118 miles per hour, but not more than that. That is because of the different engine options it has, guys. It has a lot. So going for the acceleration time, yes, again, some cars do it in 12 and some do it in 13 because of the engine options. And going for the horsepower, it's 118 brake horsepower in the base, and in the mid engines, like some of the mid engines produces 123 horsepower, but the 2-liter one produces 140 brake horsepower. That's really a good thing. But the only disappointing part is that this is yes, only EcoSports come with the front wheel drive. I mean, the EcoSports come with only the front wheel drive variants. Well, going for the engine, guys, the engine, 995 cubic inch EcoBoost, that's the base one. It's an inline 3-cylinder, and the top end one is a 2-liter Duratec inline 4. That is also an EcoBoost, which is really a cool one, guys. Well, going for the transmission, there are way too many options, so I listed down to a smaller portion. 5 or 6 speed manual and 4 or 6 speed automatic, and one is a dual clutch transmission, guys. That's really nice. Going for the body style is a 5-door subcompact SUV. Well, that's the end of the info, guys. Now it's time for the ratings. Alright, yeah, I've looked a lot at this car and I give it an 7.5 out of 10, guys. That is because it does not come with the door openable. That's why the points went too low. Anyways, guys, that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, and do share it with all your friends. Alright, guys, so yeah, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and wishing you all a very happy new year. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for my other videos and check out the HW playlist if you want to see more. Bye, enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.